Now, I want us to do another adjustment with regard to the stock count. And not the stock count, because we are done with the stock count. Done with the stock count, the video is uploaded. So, yeah, we are going to adjustment talking about any expense on hand. Like, you need to take note of this. Any expense on hand. Any expense on hand. Any expense on hand. Right? And used expense. Now, what's happening here? What's happening here? Maybe, let's give it an example to say we are having an expense of, let's say, cleaning. Let's say cleaning expense. Let's say 110,000. So we bought this cleaning expense, in order to use them for a period of 12 months. Like, expense is something that you're going to use it for a period of 12 months. But at the end of the year, they are saying, no, we didn't use the whole expense of 110,000. Maybe we are having some other brooms that were not used. They worth 10,000. They are unused. So if we are saying this is unused, it means it's on hand. Means on hand. You see? But the accounting principle says that we need to expense. If we are saying something is an expense, it should be used within the period of 12 months. So if the period of 12 months reached and we didn't use the expense, then it's no longer meeting the definition of expense. So it means it will change the element to be what? To be an asset. So this is going to be the on hand. Any expense on hand should be recorded in balance sheet. Under inventory. Under inventory note. Then this one is the one that will go to the income statement, the used one. You take note of that. So it means the 100,000 here is used. The 10,000 is unused to go to the inventory note. Okay, let's go to the November question paper and check what's happening. We are having the packing material on hand, stock on hand, adjustment or what? The packing material on hand. So now this on hand, this is the one that will go to the balance sheet. This one will go to the balance sheet. Then now we need to find the used. Then in order to get the used, you will take the packing material from the TB and minus the on hand and get the expense. So it means now we will take this 13,600 from the TB, 13,600 packing material from trial balance. Then we minus packing material on hand of how much? How much was that? Let's go there. of 3,700 of 3,700. Then we get used expense. So the used expense there, that will be how much? Let's check. 13,600 minus 4,700. So the 9,900 is the one that was used. So is the final answer when doing the income statement. So when doing the income statement under operating expenses, you're gonna say this is packing material, then open bracket 13,600, then minus 3,700, and final the used one should be the final amount there under the calculation of the income statement. I hope that is clear. Always like this. Then if they give you the used, you put it here as a final amount. We always minus the on hand if we want to get the used. Proper.